If you want to start a new YouTube channel but are not sure about the niche, not to worry, as I have brought an outstanding niche for you today. This is the right time to get into this niche, as it is still not too crowded and people love to watch these kinds of videos. So, without wasting any of your time, let's get into the video. The niche I am talking about is the space niche. If you notice the views on these videos, I can tell you that this channel must be earning around $1,000 through a single video. And you know what? You can do it too. In this video, I will show you the easiest way to create such videos for absolutely free. To get the script, we will switch to ChatGPT and enter this prompt. You will have the list of 10 interesting facts about the Milky Way galaxy. You can do the same for the moon as well. Now that we have the script ready, we will move to the next step. Here there are multiple tools to get the background images for our shorts. I will show you the ones I prefer to use. The first is Bing Create. Once you are on this website, you can simply enter your prompt here and hit Create, and within a few seconds, your image will be ready. I have created multiple images with this tool already, and it is pretty amazing. Next tool we have is Leonardo AI. Now that you are my subscriber, you definitely know about Leonardo AI, as it is one of the finest tools for image generation. Once you are on the tool, head to create a new image, enter your prompt here, select an appropriate model, choose your image dimensions and hit Generate. You can see that these images are awesome too. The main feature of Leonardo AI is that you can add motion to your generated images. Simply click on Motion, choose your generated image and hit Generate. You can see how realistic it looks. Next tool we have is Pexels. Now this is not an image generator tool, but you can get some really cool background videos and images from here. You simply need to search for the image or video and the results would be amazing. Here is the most important part, the audio. But don't worry, you won't be using your own audio. Just head to the 11 Labs website. Log in with your Google account. Here, you simply need to enter the text for which you want the audio, select the voice, I suggest Charlie or Antoni, and hit Generate. Then, you can download the audio from here for free. Now that we have our images and the audio, we will move on to video creation. I will be using CapCut for the same, but you can use your preferred video editor. Once you are on CapCut, click on New Project and import your images and the audio here. Then drag the images or the videos onto the timeline. Change the ratio to 9:16 as we are creating short videos here. Also, if you want me to show you how to create long videos for the same, comment below. Now, adjust your images onto the frame. You can add effects to the images to make them look more attractive. Finally, add the audio to the timeline. The most important part is the captions. If you're using CapCut as well, click on the text option, then click on Auto Captions and hit Create. Once the captions are generated, you can change the font from here. In the Animation tab, choose the captions word-by-word animation. Finally, click on the Export option and export your video. Let's check out the final video. Did you know? The Moon is Earth's only natural satellite, and it's the 5th largest moon in our solar system, with a diameter of about 2,159 miles. Subscribe for more such space facts. It looks pretty amazing, right? That's all from me today. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for the next videos.